Hello, how are you? All my dear students. Start now. New assignments. EXP25 Excel chapter number 8 mid-level 1 course evaluation 1.1 project descriptions. If you any kind of assignments, please Excel, Word, PowerPoint, finance, accountings, assess graders, English, mathematics and other assignments, please you contact me, emails and WhatsApp. Question number 1 start now. Question number 1 start now. Start Excel, download and open the file names EXP25 Excel chapter number 8 mid-level 1 course evaluation. Grader has automatically added to last name to the beginning of the files. All dears, you first downloading this file, but I already file is downloading. Question number 1 is complete because question number was downloading a file only, and question number 2, use the frequency function in the range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distributions and cost evaluation from the range D4s and D35 based on the frequency being located in the range G5 G9. It's okay. Use the frequency function in range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distributions. Are you open the worksheet please? H5 equal frequency formula and course evaluations from the range D4 D35 D4 course D4 D35. It's okay. For 5 frequency distributions, and second is frequency distributions. Where is frequency distribution? It's okay, comma, okay, bracket close, I enter. Okay, this is complete. G5 to G9. Okay, question number 2 is complete. I start now question number 3. This is no lengthy, very easy, all dear student, but you understand point by point. Use the standards function to calculate the standard evaluations between the current values of all course ratings in cell H12. Cell H12. It's okay. Equal standard standards values of course ratings. Course rating. Okay. I enter this. Standard deviation is complete. And question number 4 start now. I increase the word, you understand better word. Use the variance function to calculate the variance between the current values of course rating in cell H13. Use the VRS function in calculate the, it's okay, course rating equal V or bracket close. I enter. Okay, question number 4 is complete. Very easy. Chapter number 8, all assignment is same, do not difficult. This is very easy, but you understand point by point. Use the orals function in cell 17 to calculate the correlations between GPA and range and course evolution in range D4 to D35 and GPA range C4 to C35. It's okay. Okay. C4 to C35 is complete, and enter the comma and course ratings D4 to D35. D35, it's okay. Bracket close. Enter. Okay, this figure is finally complete. Question number question number question number 5 is complete, and question number 6. Question number 6. Ensure the analysis toolpath to loaded. Create a descriptive statistics summary based on the course evolutions in column D. Ensure the labels and summary statistics are including display the output in the cell G19. Ensure the analysis load